Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw order details from Etsy into automated email follow-up step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your shop dashboard. Locate the orders and shipping section. Click on the orders tab to view your recent orders. Identify the order details you want to include in your automated email follow-ups. Take note of the necessary information such as buyer name, item description, order date, and shipping status. Next, you need to export your order details. Look for the export option, typically found in the upper right corner. Choose the format you prefer, usually CSV or Excel. Download the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the order details to ensure all necessary information is included. Now, it's time to set up your automated email system. Choose an email marketing platform, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact. Create a new email campaign geared towards your customers. Start a new email sequence for follow-ups. Import the exported order details into your email marketing platform. Match the order details with the placeholders in your email template. Customize your email message to make it personable and relevant to each order. Include prompts for feedback or a special offer for future purchases. Save your email sequence and ensure the automation is activated. Conduct a test run by sending the email to yourself. Verify that all details display correctly and that the automation works seamlessly. Once confirmed, activate the automation for all new orders. Monitor the performance of your automated email follow-ups over time. Make necessary adjustments based on customer engagement and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.